Teens and Social Media by Megan Hubbard. Is social media and internet really such a bad thing? According to Craig Ferguson with the Houston Chronicle, one study with low-income youth found that those who used the internet more had higher academic performance on standardized tests. With the lack of available resources in low-income households, the use of social media for academic purposes may not be such a bad thing. Or is it? Could monitoring social media usage be the key to the problem? With more and more teens owning connected devices, screen time usage must be monitored. Monitoring usage can be possible by accessing the parental control settings with most smartphone devices. Are certain social media platforms used more by a certain economical or geographical class than others? Lower income teens are far more likely than these from higher income households to say Facebook is the online platform that they use most, 22% versus 4%. Maria Hernandez, a foreign exchange student from Madrid, Spain, says, "Back home, everyone my age uses Instagram. Not like here in Bonham, Texas, where everyone at my high school uses Facebook." With such use of social media comes downfalls and consequences. The interruption of a student's studies is a major issue. Texting while homeworking isn't simply a casual distraction. It's a major hindrance in getting stuff done. The interruption of a student's studies is a major issue. Texting while homeworking isn't simply a casual distraction. It's a major hindrance to getting stuff done. After that false alarm of receiving a text pumps adrenaline through your body, it takes up to 30 minutes to regain focus if it ever comes back at all. Dr. David Strayer, a neuroscientist with the University of Utah, says it takes 50% longer to accomplish a simple task, and you make up to 50% more errors. When receiving a text or alert from social media, teens get a hit of dopamine. Did Brad like my picture? Did Sarah LOL to the video I posted of kittens singing Christmas songs? Sean Parker, a former president of Facebook and co-founder of Napster, admits, "We need to sort of give you a little dopamine hit every once in a while because someone liked or commented on a photo or post." With the added distractions and higher than ever academic standards set on our students, such distractions may seem daunting. Is social media the new gateway drug? One must ask, if social media is so distracting, why do teens continue to utilize it? Dr. David Greenfield, the founder of Center for Internet and Technology Addiction at the University of Connecticut School of Medicine, states that technology is very addictive and very distracting. One may think that social media is the normal activity with teens, but that may not always be the case. Kids themselves are beginning to link some of their troubles to their ever-present phone. Not all teens are fans of social media, as one may think. Some teens prefer to seek actual face-to-face interaction with their friends, as one may find this more meaningful. Many teens also see that bullying is rampant among social media and are aware of the effects. There is slightly less consensus among teens who say social media has had mostly negative effects on people their age. The top response of 27% of teens is that social media has led to more bullying and the overall spread of rumors. What happens when bullying goes too far and turns into a sexual and legal issue? With the rampant use of social media comes sexting. With some teens, sexting is described as sending or receiving of sexually explicit or sexually suggestive images via cell phone, according to cyberbullying.us. When there is sexting among teens, it becomes a major legal issue of child pornography. The picture that floats around one's teen social circle and eventually the entire school now has legal ramifications. Such images also never go away once they are in the internet atmosphere. Teens who engage in sexting also expose themselves to the risk of online sexual solicitation and unwanted attention from college admission committees, school personnel, or other adults in a position of authority. All in all, if one is going to give a teen a smartphone, then one must be prepared for them to access social media. With the correct amount of parental involvement and an open door policy, teens will know that they can come to their parents for guidance if there is ever an issue due to social media. Encourage your teen. Encourage teens to put down their phones and attend a football game with friends, go to the movies, or be dropped off for a group painting party. Encourage teens to only use phones for emergencies only, as to enjoy their experience without feeling the need to document every step on social media. Works cited, page 1 and 2.